Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my Weis couponing haul for October the 3rd through the 9th, 2019. So let's go ahead and get started here on the deals. So the first one is the yogurt, the Yoplait. This is not the best deal. I thought I had 2 of this 50 cents off of 5 printables. However, I only had 1 of them, and I guess I didn't print them in time for the new ones came out. They changed it for $1 off of 10 instead of 50 cents off of 5. But I went ahead and still did this deal anyway. My kids eat yogurt all the time, so this is a good deal for me. They're 10 for 5. I had $1 off 10. Load to card that worked with $1 off of 10 printable. Actually, I used my 50 cent off of 5 printable. That was no longer available, so if you didn't print that, you can use your $1 off of 10, making that $3 or 30 cents a piece. Good enough deal for me. Might not be a good one for you. The Chobani deal worked out really good for me. If you contact Chobani, you can contact them every 30 days. They'll send you a card with a bunch of coupons in, which is great. I don't know how long they're going to do that for. It's very generous of them. And we love Chobani yogurt. So it's $1 a piece. And looky, they have pumpkin spice yogurt. I'm going to have a bite of that before my kids eat it. Anyway, so I had Chobani sends you 1 coupon for free, and then they send you some 50 cent and $1 off of ones. It does say limit of 1. I've never tried to combine them, even though it says limit of 1. So I don't know if that works or not. But anyway, I used a 50 cent off of 1 that doubled, and then $1 off of 1. So all of those were requests by mail. And then I had $1 off of any 5 Chobani. That was a Weis coupon, or not a Weis coupon. That was loaded to my Weis card. So I paid $1 or 20 cents each, which is a really good deal for me, for yogurt. Okay, the sugar is $1.47. This is a Friday only deal. I think there were some coupons in the 9/8 Smart Source. I forgot to double check mine. I think it might have been for the golden sugar anyway. And I didn't even see that at my store. So you might want to check your Smart Source. You might be able to get that a little bit cheaper. I only got 1 because Aldi is like $1.55 right now. And once we get closer to November, we're going to see sugar at 99 cents. So I don't really need to stock up yet. Tasty cakes are $2. Nothing real special there. It's just my husband likes those, so I went ahead and picked up one of those. Okay, so this Pioneer Woman, it's advertised for the sides, but the appetizers were also included in the $5.99 price. If you're a member of pinchme, they might have mailed you a $4 off coupon, so I was so excited to get this. And then Checkout 51 or Saving Star has $1.50 back, so I paid 49 cents for this, and this will probably be my husband's dinner tonight. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. So Borden cheese is $1.77, which is a really great price. I had a 55 cent off coupon that they mailed to me when I contacted them and asked for coupons. That does not double, but it still made it only $1.22. Or you can use $1 off coupons from the Smart Source, $8.25. I only had 1 of those, and it does expire on the 5th, so Saturday. So I paid 77 cents for the other bag. And then I did pick up some of these last week. These are on clearance I went to a different store and they were on clearance there, so you should be able to find them. They're $1.47 on clearance. There's also Hershey's S'mores chips that you can go ahead and get too if you want those. And I did make some coffee cookies and they're already gone. I made those like 3 days ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and film that recipe at some point, and I'll probably have that out for you guys at Christmas time. I want to do like a new cookie series video out there around Christmas time to get you guys some different ideas. And then the freebie, the Friday freebie, I did put up a video, was supposed to be the family 210 count. Well, my store is completely out of it. I kind of think that they don't stock up very well when it comes to the Friday freebies. They only have a couple of whatever's in stock a lot of the times. Okay, now these deals are all deals that combine load to card and paper coupons. So if you don't want to do that, you might not want to do this. You don't have to like trick the system or anything. They just automatically come off. Sometimes I don't even realize it, and sometimes I do make deals that work like this. So you do whatever you want. The Febreze is $5.41. The buy one get one free from the P&G took off $5. And then I had a 5 off of 2 load to card that automatically came off. So I didn't do the math, but it makes it 82 cents or 41 cents a piece. And I love to have those in my bathroom. The Centrum deal is for my mom. She asked me to get this. It's $10. Well, it was supposed to be $10. That's what the tag said, but it rang up at $11.29. I had a $4 off from the retail, not $9.29, and a $4 load to card came off, so they made that $3.29. Too expensive, but she asked me to get it, so Then the Thermacare is a little bit of a moneymaker at $6.99. $3 load to card comes off. The 3 from the Retail Me Not, $9.29. And then $3 back from Savings Star. So that'll make that a $2.01 moneymaker. So that is everything that I got at Weis for this week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.